Now, Apple just kicked off their annual developers conference, which they always start with a big keynote on new releases. The last 40 minutes of this year's 2-hour keynote was completely focused on AI. Just like they co-opted the word phone for iPhone, they have officially co-opted the abbreviation AI. So now you'll never know if AI means artificial intelligence or Apple intelligence. The new AI stuff largely failed to impress, such as their on-device image model that can only do cartoon-style images rather than photorealistic images.
And choose from animation, sketch, or illustration.
Apple attempted to convince us that their new AI is more than just informational, but rather can take action. But asking the new Siri AI to play a podcast isn't all that different from what Siri could do previously. Apple did have an impressive Siri AI demo.
Siri is going to be able to help me do this so easily. Siri, when is my mom's flight landing? What's awesome is that Siri actually cross-references flight details that my mom shared with me by email with real-time flight tracking to give me her up-to-date arrival time. What's our lunch plan? How long will it take us to get there from the airport? I haven't had to jump from mail to messages to maps to figure out this plan.
And although that demo showed zero action from Siri, it did show an impressive understanding of your personal data. Apple's way of keeping your data secure is apparently to do most AI on device, and when performing AI in the cloud, to require the cloud computers to use ARM-designed Apple chips.
Many of these models run entirely on device. There are times, though, when you need models that are larger than what fits in your pocket today. Private cloud compute allows Apple Intelligence to flex and scale its computational capacity and draw on even larger server-based models for more complex requests, while protecting your privacy. These models run on servers we've especially created using Apple Silicon. These Apple Silicon servers offer the privacy and security of your iPhone from the silicon on up.
The limitations of Apple's current AI models were very apparent during the keynote, such as in how any advanced retrieval requires Siri to get help from ChatGPT.
And we're starting out with the best of these, the pioneer and market leader ChatGPT from OpenAI, powered by GPT-4o. First, we built support into Siri, so Siri can tap into ChatGPT's expertise when it might be helpful for you. For example, if you need menu ideas for an elaborate meal to make for friends using some freshly caught fish and ingredients from your garden, you can just ask Siri. Siri determines that ChatGPT might have good ideas for this, asks your permission to share your question, and presents the answer directly.
One of the highlights for investors was that new AI features will require an iPhone 15 or higher, but unfortunately for those believing in the AI PC hypothesis, you can use Apple's 4-year-old laptops for the new AI features.
Apple Intelligence harnesses the power of our most advanced silicon and will be available on iPhone 15 Pro and iPad and Mac with M1 and later.
So this won't be igniting a MacBook refresh cycle.